This is why you need these 10 life-changing sentences right now. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. You are stronger than you think. Remember that. 2. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Embrace every stumble. 3. Dream big, work hard, stay focused. The trifecta of triumph. 4. Your only limit is your mind. Break those chains. 5. Small steps every day lead to big changes. Keep moving forward. 6. Believe in yourself when no one else does. Trust your journey. 7. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Act today. 8. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Start now. 9. Happiness is not by chance but by choice. Choose wisely. 10. The best is yet to come. Your future is bright. Take these words to heart and let them fuel your journey. You've got this.